Ian becoming a hurricane as of 5 a.m.
Yes, we are tracking what is now Hurricane Ian.
Storm winding its way towards Florida, named Ian, was upgraded from a tropical storm to a hurricane this morning.
Was upgraded from a tropical storm to a hurricane.
It was upgraded from a tropical storm to a Category 1 hurricane.
The biggest threat from this storm is not the wind, but the water. You hide from the wind, you run from the water.
My yard is flooded. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. This ain't one that I want to be making, but hey, hurricane is heading towards Florida. It's actually hitting the west coast. I am on the east coast, so thankfully not straight on the eye of that Cat 5 storm. A Cat 5 hurricane could be up to 190 miles an hour is what they're expecting to see in like Tampa Bay. So prayers out to my family over there. I have family over there, my friends over there. Stay safe, y'all. This is gonna be a gnarly one. It's actually supposed to hit this afternoon, overnight, and then into tomorrow. And this is what my yard looks like already. Just a couple hours of the pre-storm. As you can see, all the enclosures are completely underwater. Well, this one's not too bad, but as you can see, there's only a little bit of dry land. Like, the house is underwater. That's a new pig. I haven't even showed this new pig yet.
Hi, buddy. This is Babe, the pig. We just rescued her.
She's so sweet. As you can see, they don't really have much dry land. Up there is about all they got. And the coon is completely asleep.
Right here. Hi, buddy.
It's disgusting out here. And as you can see, it has actually drained a lot since the morning. I would tell you about 4 hours ago, this place was another 3 inches deeper. Again, we have just begun, seriously. This flooding is so bad. This is my duck pond right here. Look at the duck pond. Is that not insane? The house is underwater. The ducks are literally swimming on land. Thankfully, they have another dry spot up here because it's elevated. The goldfish I put in could literally be swimming from the duck pond over to the goat enclosure, down the stream and over to the goat enclosure. Hi, Mary. Hi. It's great to see Mary has made it through the storm. She does not care. She's just chilling. Hey, oh, hey, hey, listen, no, stop that. Stop that. Mary, don't make me launch you. All right. Stay back. Don't worry, that doesn't hurt her. I just put my foot under her and lift her. And she goes, and then leaves me alone. As you can see, this enclosure is gosh near fully underwater. Thankfully, it's high right here from the building. This is all dry, of course, because we have the building up here. Walking through the yard even more. This was so much deeper last night. I came out here last night, and it was even way more intense than this. The turkey's overflowing. This is crazy. Look at how deep this is. I am right now right out front of the barn in my yard. You see the water line up to my house? All this is water. How you guys doing in there? Is it dry? Oh yeah, you guys are dry. Nice and dry in there. You guys will all have hay bright and early, all right, buddies? At least it's dry in there. It literally looks like I have a lake right up to my house. Hi, Mia. Oh my God, there's no duck pond. It is starting to rain really bad now, and there's no duck pond. This is the duck pond fence. Look how deep it is. The ducks are good though. I don't know why they're not in their house. I spent a lot on that. We have our 11 pigs over here. And as you can see, their enclosure is also elevated. So the middle is going to be a lot more watery. And then they have dry. And how I've been feeding them is essentially just take this scoop of food, go to the driest part, and then boom. And everyone can eat. Oh yeah, eat up, buddies. It is gnarly in here though, I'll tell you that. Lots more rain is coming, and that's the bad thing. Mango, how you doing, bud? Now Mango and Lady May obviously have an enclosure that has a little bit of height to it as well. So their house is out of the water, which is good, but with a little bit more rain, I couldn't tell you whether they're gonna be underwater or not. So I gotta really keep my eye out on all these animals. As you can see, it is past ankle deep at the goat enclosure right now. The feed bin is practically underwater. All the goats are in their house that is thankfully dry. It doesn't look like it, but inside the house is dry. And their enclosure is completely flooded. I know. Just sleep for the next 2 days. That's all you can do. Now walking over here, it's kind of scary how close the flooding is to my house. Just earlier today was like up here. And if it gets any higher, I mean, my house could literally go underwater. Nothing to mess around with. Seriously, as much as I may like make jokes throughout this video, this is a serious storm and could harm a lot of people's belongings. The barn is just about underwater. I mean, look at that. Slab is just above water all the way around. Craziness. This is insane. And then over here, water levels have dropped a little bit, but last night I was seeing tadpoles on the concrete. There's tadpoles swimming on the barn floor right now. There is water everywhere. Finn's enclosure is completely flooded. He's got some height here, but I ended up just putting him in. And Finn is hanging out in his dry stall right now with his fan. You ate all your hay already, huh? But he's nice and dry. Thank goodness we had this built. We have the hay right there, it's all dry. Everything's dry in here. I am very, very glad we built the barn right here because Finn would not be doing good right now. His feet need to stay dry. It's very important for all these animals to have dry hoofs. We want to get them hoof rot. There's so many different sicknesses they can get from being in this water. They'll drink the water and the water has poop in it because the poop was in the water. Rain like this is horrible all around. My yard is dang near fully underwater though, I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy. I am now gonna take you for a spin around the block and show you guys what the neighborhood looks like. It is gnarly.
Holy moly. Look at outside the house.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, yesterday when it wasn't so bad, we had a lot of fun in this rain. I was skimboarding in the front yard, connected to the back of the truck. We were ripping it. That was so sick, dude. Us Floridians know how to have some fun in rain, let me tell you.
Let's go take a look around the neighborhood. I know it is pretty gnarly out right now.
Look at Amazon. Amazon is still kicking. Oh yeah. Look at these houses.
Good Lord. Holy moly, look at this street. Oh my goodness. That is someone's house right there. And it is dang near underwater. Look at the driveway. I'm pushing it.
Wake like a boat out here.
That's insane. Look at these main roads right here. They are fully underwater. Goodness. That is crazy. Wow, wow.
That house is so close. It's honestly really scary, fellas. This is not even the storm. That's what I'm trying to say. We're supposed to get hit with this thing tonight.
Canals are all over flooded. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Just found some boys having some fun, so I'm up and in the bed.
Yes, sir. Yo. This boy's flying. Oh. What the heck? That's nuts. What's up, bro? What's up? Good to meet you, man. Good to meet you.
Well, back into my truck. Definitely not having as much fun as them, but that was awesome. Those kids knew what they were doing.
Wow. Wow.
Like the amount of rain, I've never seen this amount of rain in Florida in my entire life. We are going to be seeing a lot more rain, but I won't lie, these past couple hours that we haven't had much rain has really shown the drainage process. It drains quick. My entire backyard was underwater. These pigs had not a single bit of dry land. In just 2 hours, you can see a lot of it has drained. Hopefully they'll get their house back in a little bit. But like I said, it's supposedly just the beginning and the storm has not even hit yet. Currently right now, it is just about to hit the coast of Cape Coral and it's gonna hit hard. 155-mile-an-hour winds. Again, prayers to everyone over there on that coast. It's gonna be a rough one. Holy moly. It is the next morning, Cuffaros, and that wind hit last night. We've got branches all over the place. Lots of wind, as you can see, more branches over here. Hey buddies, you made an absolute mess in the barn. I did put the goats away last night. We got one more. Perfect. Thank you. Just in case it had rained more overnight and I was sleeping, I didn't want the goats to perhaps drown in the water. So now all the goats have been in here and they made an absolute mess. And Finn got some friends next door overnight. So fellas, we have successfully made it through the hurricane. The whole West Coast got absolutely schmacked, so I think I might actually be going over there and helping clean up. I do have a lot of friends that literally lost their homes. So it was a very, very serious storm. Definitely not a joke, although here we got the least of it, that's for sure. And thank goodness, because the animals really would have had some trouble. Now that I've had this storm happen, I can actually improve the farm, raise the homes, and really just understand how serious a Cat 5 could possibly be if it did hit here. So I'm really gonna switch up some things at the farm, animal house wise and just location wise, and just to make sure that if God forbid anything like that ever happens here, I am prepared. Although I was pretty prepared this time. There's goldfish in my lawn, look. Literally goldfish from the pond. They're much bigger, by the way. In my lawn. Look at them all, holy shit. They can come right here, straight to the pond right there. It's kind of crazy we have live fish. Let's see if we can catch one. Dang, they're quick. Got one. Live goldfish. Ah! Oh! Oh gosh. We have successfully passed Hurricane Ian here at the PC farm. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Again, prayers to my family and friends and everyone over on the West Coast that got hit with this storm a lot harder than we did here on the East Coast. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.